Hi, I'm Martin from Bosch Power Tools, and today I'm here with UK Planet Tools in Milton Keynes, where we're going to be taking a closer look at the Bosch 18V BITURBO range, offering you corded power on a cordless platform. Let's take a closer look at the range. This is the GCM 18V-216 DC BITURBO compound mitre saw from Bosch. As the name suggests, it comes with a 216mm 8-inch blade with a 30mm arbor. The blade will be supplied with the machine, and it comes with an expert for wood 48 tooth blade. This is going to give you clean and precise cuts in any material that you're going to cut. When we look to the back of the machine, we've got dust extraction ports, two, one at the back of the machine and one at the front. The machine is only about 15 kilograms in weight, so it's easy enough for a one-man lift. It's small enough to get through loft spaces, upstairs, into cars, or if space is tight in your van, then this is the ideal machine. It's part of the BITURBO range, so it's going to give you at least corded power, all right? And this machine can produce up to around about 1600 watts from a Procore battery. The machine is also double bevel. So what we mean by double bevel is, once we just release the blade guard here, the machine can actually be tilted 47 degrees to the left and 47 degrees to the right. The bevel lock is situated at the back of the machine. We just unlock this red lever, and then we can tilt the machine 47 degrees to the left and also 47 degrees to the right. When we do the bevel cut, we must remember to extend the back fences. We can do that just by loosening the little wing nuts at the back of the back fence, and the back fences can also be removed. These are also still connected to the machine with this wire, okay, so that prevents you from losing them. We can also then extend the base plate. We just undo the little red lever here at the front, and then we can extend the base plate out to give us a bigger working surface. When the machine is in the 90-degree position, we're going to get a 70mm depth of cut via 300mm. To actually rotate the machine to the operating position, we just pull a little trigger here at the front, and then we can rotate the saw round to 0 degrees. Okay, what you're also going to get supplied with the kit is a material clamp. This can be fit to the left-hand side of the machine or the right-hand side of the machine, and it's dead simple. It just basically slides in, and it can be tightened here on the thread. On the side of the machine, we also have the trenching facility. So if we just move the machine around to the right here, once we drop the blade down, by turning this thread here, we can alter the depth of the blade. So if we just want to do some trenching cuts and then go back to a full cut afterwards, we can leave the trenching thread in the same position. We just literally lift the blade, move the switch back over to the left-hand side, and then we can drop the blade to the full cutting position. When we want to go back to the trench, we just lift the blade, switch back over to the right-hand side, and then we can drop the blade again back into our trench position. What actually comes with the machine is an SDS locking nut, okay? What we mean by SDS is it's tool-free. So when we actually want to change the blades, all we simply need to do is come to the other side of the machine, here where we can find the spindle lock. We push in the spindle lock. Once the spindle lock's pushed down into position, we can then loosen by hand the SDS locking nut in order to release the blade and make any blade changes if necessary. With regards to mitre cuts on the machine, the mitre settings on this machine are 62-degree mitre cut to the right with a 52-degree mitre cut to the left. This machine is also fitted with a laser, so you can see exactly where you're going to cut on the material. It's also fitted with a working light, so if you're working in a dark, unlit room, you can also see the material that you're going to cut. The HMI here comes into operation when we actually add the battery, and then we choose from 4 different speed selections: speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, or we can actually go into eco mode where we're going to get the best battery performance by reducing the speed for the material that the machine's actually cutting at the time. Eco mode can give you up to 30% longer runtime on your batteries. Towards the end of the base plate here, we've got the butt end or end stop. This can be fitted to either the right-hand side of the machine or the left-hand side of the machine. And the machine can also be fitted to a leg stand, so we can fit it to all the standard leg stands within the Bosch range. And that is the GCM 18V-216 double bevel mitre saw from Bosch. For more information on the Bosch BITURBO range, please visit boschprofessionalpowertools.com. For deals and offers, please visit UK Planet Tools. where you can find more information on both their website and their social media channels. Thank you.